A hidden leak can destroy your home long before you ever see it.
What's hidden often causes the most damage.
At Mitigation Inc., we specialize in professional leak detection and emergency water damage solutions, serving only the South Bay beach cities. Local specialists who know these homes. This is the only area we serve. We stop damage at the source.
All workmanship is backed by a 5-year limited warranty. Because doing it right the first time matters.
If you suspect a leak, don't wait.